guys, come on, open it up. They laid 3 eggs!
Oh my gosh, 3 eggs!
Be careful, bunny.
Hi guys! So today we are going to be checking on the chicken. Yeah, and we got our god brother is the cameraman. Come on!
Come on, guys.
It's not self-defense.
Be careful. Okay?
Oh, let's
Right.
get it. I
Right.
have to check.
Okay. Time to check, guys.
Check this.
Guys.
There's a factory. One's trying to lay.
Okay, just wait. Don't stress it, okay? So one's trying to lay an egg right now.
Yeah, I like playing with the chickens, but they're scared of us. What did you find?
Hey guys, come on, open it up. They laid 3 eggs!
Oh my gosh, 3 eggs!
Be careful, bunnies.
The reason why they lay three eggs is because me and Daddy already catched one.
Oh.
Catched one in the morning. Caught one in the morning.
Right. Guys, I'll hold it just in case.
Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And subscribe to our channels. Subscribe to the channel. Put your notifications. Subscribe to the channel. Put your notifications on. This is Zoe and Benny's channel. Subscribe to the channel. Put your notifications. Subscribe to the channel. Put your notifications on.